Honorable Sri Maharaja Sanajaoba Lishamba.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Sir, my special mention is demand for a rehabilitation package and a long-term solution for peaceful coexistence in Manipur. Sir, it is now evident that the simmering tension in the state is gradually subsiding. Normalcy is inching slowly, and there is hope for a peaceful solution in near future. For this, I am grateful to Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Home Minister Sri Amit Shah ji, Honorable Chief Minister Sri N. Biren Singh and his government for their steadfast, far-sightedness, expertise, and untiring efforts in bringing a near peaceful solution in the state. However, if the Union government puts a little more efforts and with timely push, the peace process and resettlement could be quickened. People have suffered enough and they need a respite now. So I demand the Union government for a suitable rehabilitation package, a long-term solution for peaceful coexistence and other necessary arrangements which deem fit to restore the peaceful and glorious past of Manipur. Thank you, sir.